Was over crypto muscle, fake lasers, coming to you in another video. Oh yeah, here we are. International now, worldwide, sync we're at Crypto Muscle and the Crypto Muscle Network coming to you in another video. I had to do that little pause there, you know what? You wanna know why I had to do that little pause? I had to hold myself, or else I would have let out a big burp. You know what I mean? I know. You're like, man, this guy's on something here. And I'm not on something. I'm just like, you guys know what's going on. I mean, that's just what's happening. But yeah, so crazy how it's already Thursday. Shit. And this is Shao Bank, and I've been doing it on Thursday since pretty much since I first joined Shao Bank. And I've been in Shao Bank since November. Deposited, that is. And I signed up at Shao Bank back in August of last year, but I didn't join in until November. I don't know if I was just super busy, or I don't know, I just kept on like putting it off. It was weird. That I ended up finding myself in Shao Bank, and I'm fine with that. Only if I have any regrets, if anything, it would be that too bad I wasn't in Shao Bank when I first signed up. That's about the furthest I can go, right? I can't go back further in time than that. If I didn't know about Shao Bank or I didn't sign up any other time before August. But yeah, so Shao Bank has proven itself to be a pretty steady, I guess you could say, business, right? It's kind of a platform, but not really, and it's kind of a bank. You could question if it's a bank or not. It's not your traditional bank, right? How about that? It has more with digital banking, focused, and lots of money geared towards either saving or allowing to put out for borrowing. So you can see that they have bonds, deposits, and lending. So lending is giving out money, and then I guess in return you pay it back with interest, right? Bonds, that's what we're all about, is taking the bonds and making passive income with it. Deposits, it's kind of along the similar lines where you put in deposits that's geared towards long-term savings, right? If that's what you're into, okay, cool. And then, of course, going back, and then we don't do mess with digital banking. If you want to, that's fine too. But bonds is where it's at, all right. And so, bonds is where we take advantage of, I guess you could say, their bond certificates and utilize these bonds into making passive income. All right, so here we are. I have 8,000 Hong Kong dollars worth of bonds that I've been in and working with, and so I earned in a tune of 308 Hong Kong dollars earned every week, right? And then when you translate it to USD, it's $39.49, and that's what I begin every week. It's just been a steady weekly payout of that amount from Shao Bank, and I'm fine with that too. Like, money is money, right? You make money, it doesn't matter if it's little, it doesn't matter if it's big. Is it continues to be contributing? Is it money? It is. It's all the above. Hey, you know what? I don't discriminate. It's all good, So there's going to be platforms where I make, 39 bucks. Then there's going to be platforms where I make that same amount in a day rather than in a week. There's going to be platforms where I make $1,000 in a week, or I can make it in a day. So it varies, but the point of it is I diversify into several platforms, and I earn and pull something out every day out of something. And that's what I like. I enjoy doing that daily, pulling out something every day from somewhere. And it's been steady for now 5 years straight in this space of steadiness, of just pulling something out of some platform every day, as Shao Bank is that contributor towards that. So let's take a look at that. Alright, I'm in the bonds with this, and when it comes to withdrawing, alright, minimum is 50 Hong Kong dollars at 308. So if I put in that 308, that'll get me that 39 USD. I was doing USDT TRC20. I don't care what the fees are, commissions that you gotta pay. Alright, 4.9, 15. Yeah, so equivalent, they take away a couple bucks. So I was like, who cares? Give me 1 sec. Alright, so I did the withdrawal, says success, and it'll be processed, right? And I had to do it because, again, every week I explain it is because when I hit next step, it's going to ask for 3-digit code. And I put that in, and then it's set, it's good. And that's how it's going to work, and that's how it's been working every week. So when you look at the stats, withdraw, drew that out a week ago. Here we go again, another week, another 308 of Hong Kong dollars. And that's what I got going on right there. Letting it run. When it comes to refill balance to deposit, you could do Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USDC, TRC20 Tron, BEP20 BNB, BUSD, Litecoin, Doge, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, Solana, Alipay, and ePay. Alright, so you have all these different options to mess around with and grow that crypto in the form of bonds, right? So, pretty good. And then, let's see, so I've been in since November, so I got December, January, February, March, April, 5 months. So, it's not bad. It's just a place that, hey, if you want to do it, here you go, right? You got the options to do it. And, let me see here. There's more new information this past week on Shao. Alright, let's take a look at that. And let me see here. I think it was a detail that I might have missed last week, so I figured I'd catch up and kind of present it this week. But I gotta see here if I could try to find it here. Man. Shao Bank from China, right? In a video I talked about places that I've visited before, and I've done a lot of traveling overseas to the Pacific Rim. So been to places like South Korea, I've been to China, been to Japan, been to Vietnam, South Korea, I don't know if I mentioned that. So I've been to several of those Pacific Rim countries. Just gotta love that rim, just saying. There's actually a video, here we go, I found it here. There's actually a video here. This was posted earlier in the week on this Blitz interview of Shao. Alright, he's the bank founder. So that's that, right? And also, KaiCoin is up and coming. KaiCoin has appeared. The bank is supposed to be releasing this as early as April. Alright, so and they announced the extension of the FP bonds. We knew that since last week. So